Enter the world of Streptococcus, the elegant chains that hold both life and danger.
Unlike others, these microbes stay connected, forming microscopic chains like a string of pearls.
Their thick cell walls glow under the lens, a signature of their resilient gram-positive nature. In the dark corners of the mouth, Streptococcus mutans finds its perfect home on your teeth. Feeding on sugar, they produce acid, slowly dissolving the strongest substance in your body.
They build a sticky fortress, a biofilm that shields them from your toothbrush and saliva.
Not all are enemies. Meet the chefs of the micro world, creating the yogurt we love.
Through fermentation, they transform simple milk into a nutritious and delicious masterpiece.
These friendly chains work in harmony with our bodies, promoting health and balance.
But a shadow emerges. Streptococcus pyogenes, the fierce invader, strikes the throat. With powerful toxins, they shatter red blood cells, clearing a path for their invasion.
The body's defenders arrive, but the bacteria's slippery capsule helps them evade capture.
Master of escape, they dissolve barriers to travel deeper into the human system.
Inflammation peaks as the colony grows, leaving visible marks of their silent war.
Deep in the lungs, the twin-linked Streptococcus pneumoniae begins its silent occupation.
Oxygen struggling to pass through as the infection turns the air sacs into a battlefield.
Humanity's greatest weapon, penicillin, arrives to tear down the bacterial walls.
The chain snaps. Without their protective wall, the invaders perish in seconds. Evolution never sleeps. Some develop resistance, learning to survive the strongest drugs. Sharing their secrets of survival, they pass resistance genes like a dark inheritance.
The Group B hunters wait in the shadows, a hidden threat to the most vulnerable. Crossing the blood-brain barrier, they bring a cold fire to the delicate nervous system.
Natural remedies joining the fight, slowing down the relentless march of the chains.
Antibodies lock on, tagging the invaders for certain destruction by the immune army. The cleanup crew moves in, absorbing the threat and restoring peace to the body.
Science provides a shield. Vaccines train our bodies to recognize the enemy before they strike.
When they reach the heart, these silent travelers can turn a heartbeat into a struggle.
With microscopic hooks, they cling to life against the rushing tide of the bloodstream.
On blood agar, they reveal their true colors through the patterns of destruction they leave.
Beta hemolysis, a glowing ring of power, marking the total breakdown of red cells.
Our first line of defense, saliva, begins the battle before the invaders can settle.
A tidal wave of antiseptic sweeps away the colonies, reclaiming the oral territory.
The M protein, their jagged armor, prevents the immune system from taking hold. Engineered to glow, these microbes become lanterns of knowledge in the laboratory.
Crossing the species barrier, Streptococcus suis brings a new challenge from farm to city.
They tear through the cellular fabric, opening the gates to the inner sanctum of the body.
Triggering a cytokine storm, they turn the body's own strength into a destructive force.
On your tongue,
peaceful residents keep the balance, protecting your breath and health.
They even speak to our nerves, whispering chemical signals that alter our perception of pain.
Protectors of their turf, they fight off fungal intruders with ruthless efficiency.
In death, they dissolve, returning their building blocks to the microscopic ecosystem.
A complex interface of gates and pumps, controlling the flow of life across the membrane.
Delicate and subtle, these residents add to the vast diversity of our oral microbiome.
A single sneeze launches millions into the air, seeking a new host to call home.
From medicine to beauty, their proteins help create the elixirs of modern skincare.
Microbial warfare. The battle for resources is constant in this invisible world.
When the chains enter the blood, it's a race against time for human life.
The invaders adapt, changing their coats to stay one step ahead of our medicine. Fueling the invasion, ATP powerhouses glow with the energy of 1,000 reactions.
Frozen in time, they wait for the thaw to reveal their ancient secrets to science. Beneath the surface, they spread like wildfire, challenging the body's integrity.
A deadly partnership. When viruses and bacteria join forces, the body suffers more.
They wait for the signal. Through chemical whispers, they plan their mass assault.
Nature fights back. Plants produce their own chemistry to keep the chains at bay.
Rewriting the code of life, we turn former enemies into precise biological tools. In the heart of the forest's giants, they break down the unbreakable, sustaining life. Turning sticky film into stone, they create permanent monuments of decay on your teeth.
Simple hygiene. A drop of soap is enough to shatter their world and save yours.
Even after the battle, they linger in the shadows, waiting for the next opportunity.
Silent indicators. Their presence in the gut can signal deeper health mysteries.
Grabbing hold with microscopic tentacles, they ensure they are never swept away.
Translating the instructions for war, the bacterial nucleus is a hive of activity. Through the highways of the body, they travel to find new territories to settle. In the absence of air, they build dark alliances that worsen the infection.
Breaking down complexity into simplicity, they fuel their engine of expansion.
Beauty in the microscopic, a canvas of life that is both terrifying and magnificent.
Even predators have predators. The bacteriophage ends the reign of the chains.
Join us at Microbe World as we continue to explore the invisible giants of our universe.
Connected by the invisible, we share our world with these ancient, persistent life forms.
Streptococcus, the pearls of life and death, forever woven into the fabric of our existence.